Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start the 12th Commerce, chapter number 10. In previous video, we discussed about recruitment. What do you mean by what is the meaning of recruitment? What is the definition of recruitment? Then, what are the sources of recruitment? What are the reasons behind recruitment? And what is the recruitment process? What is recruitment? It's a finding a suitable candidate for a suitable job. Okay, so finding the suitable candidate for a suitable job. That is the meaning of recruitment, and also the company will recruit the potential employee. Okay, so that is the important meaning of recruitment. What is the definition of recruitment? It's a process of prospective employee, and the company will stimulate and encourage them to apply for a job. That is the definition of employee. What are the reasons we can recommend? We are discussing about. So first one is recruitment of employee. Second one is death of an employee. Third one is that is retention of employee. Okay, so disablement of employee. The last one is dismissal of employee. Okay. Reasons why the company will recruit people. Okay, we discussed in previous video. Next one, what is the planning process in recruitment method? Planning the recruitment, determining the vacancies. Okay, so the next one is adding the sources, then by defining the selection, that is the information available in the advertisement. Information list age, qualification, salary offered. Okay, this information available in the information, that is the advertisement. Selecting the suitable mode of advertisement. In the mode, in the type of mode, that is daily magazines or that is a weekly magazines or monthly magazine, and employment news, jobseeker.com. We have lot of employment magazines. Okay, so this is the mode of advertisement. Next one, facilitating for process. Facilitating that selection process. Okay, so this is the way of recruitment selection. Last one, evaluation control. When you select the candidate and give the job. Okay, that is a facilitating evaluation and control. Next recruitment method. Source of recruitment method. First one internal, second one external. The internal may be divided into the lot of, that is I think 8 or 9. Okay, first one is transfer, promotion, demotion, upgrading, then job rotation, that is retired employees, recommendation by exiting employees. These are that is the previous applicants. These are the sources of advertisement in internal. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about external sources of advertisement. Okay, external sources of advertisement. Sources of recruitment. We already discussed about internal. This is external. External may be divided into two. One is direct, another one is indirect. Internal, first one is transfer. We already discussed about transfer. Then promotion, upgrading, demotion, job rotation, retention, recommendation by existing employees, the retirement, retired employees, then recommendation by existing employees, recommendation by existing employees, by employees. Ninth one, what? Previous applicants. Okay, so these are the last we discussed about these internal sources. Today we are going to discuss about direct and indirect. What are the direct sources? First one is advertisement. First one is advertisement. First one is advertisement. The advertisement, the employee advertise, the employee, particular employee, the particular employer will advertise daily magazines, monthly magazines, or weekly magazines, or annual magazines. Okay, so then about the vacancies in particular department, particular companies. What are the information available in advertisement? Age, qualification, salary offered, experience. These are the information available in the advertisement. Okay, so these are direct sources because direct. Okay, advertisement is on the direct way. This is one of the direct, but it is called as external. Okay, so the second one. Unsolicited applicants. What do you mean unsolicited? What do you mean unsolicited applicants? The particular employee voluntarily apply, the job seeker voluntarily apply to the particular job voluntarily. Okay, voluntarily apply for the particular job. Volunteer apply பண்றாங்க. Okay, ஒரு கம்பெனிக்கு volunteer apply பண்ணி ஒரு but the in particular company there is no vacancy. In this situation, the particular job seeker will apply for a particular job, but there is no vacancy in particular department, particular company. Okay, so when the company arising any, when the company need any vacancy, any employee, that is the gives job seekers. Okay, so at the time they will call for an interview the particular candidate. That is called unsolicited. Okay, ஒரு எம்ப்ளாயி வாலண்டியர் அப்ளை பண்றான், ஒரு ஜாப் சீக்கர் வாலண்டியர் அப்ளை பண்றான், ஆனா அந்த வேகன்சி இருந்திருக்காது, பட் he want to eagerly to apply the jobs. Okay, that is called as unsolicited applicants. Okay, got it? So this is the second sources of external sources of recruitment. Walk-ins. What do you mean walk-ins? Walk-in applicants with age, qualification, salary, then another source. These are another source of requirement. Okay, so the particular meeting have a lot of requirement. The requirement will listed in the that particular advertisement. So walk-ins means the particular company and also will advertise, employer will advertise the particular magazines. These are information available. That is a walk-in interview. They mention walk-in interview in daily magazines. Walk-in interview. Okay, so in this advertisement, they listed some criteria: age, qualification, salary offered. These are the information available in the walk-ins interview. That is walk-in advertisement. Okay, so this is the third one. Padamalia, direct sources, these are direct and indirect. So direct sources, first one is advertisement, unsolicited applicants, walk-ins. Okay, next one is what? Campus recruitment. Campus recruitment. Nowadays, a lot of multinational companies or reputed companies will recruit students. Okay, that is degree complete. That is a completed, the final year students. This is called as camp recruitment. The company will go and recruit the people, recruit a candidate in colleges or institutions or universities. That is called as camp recruitment. So they will conduct the test as mental aptitude test. These are the tests they conducted on the basis of performance, on the basis of test, on the basis of performance. They will recruit the particular candidate, particular student, particular job seeker. Okay, that is called as campus recruitment. Okay, got it? Next one, retirement at factory gate. Retirement at factory gate. Retirement factory gate. So usually casual or unskilled laborers are recruited by this way, by these sources. They are recruited at factory gate and paid on hourly basis, time basis, piece rate basis. Okay, so இது என்ன அப்படின்னா ஒரு யூஸ்வலா என்ன பண்ணா கேஷுவல் லேபர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா ஆர் அன்ஸ்கில் லேபர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. எப்போ that is a small work they given the particular company will give small works to assign to particular job seeker. That is usual labors. Okay, so casual workers, that is unskilled workers, the company will give some training. Okay, so that is called recruitment at factory gate. Okay, so the usually casual or unskilled temporary or unskilled labors are recruited by this way. The company will give some training and also they will provide wages on the basis of hourly piece rate basis and time rate basis. Okay, ஒரு piece rate basis time rate செட் பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, இவ்வளவு piece of work வந்து பண்ணிருக்கான், ஒரு மணி நேரத்துல இவ்வளவு work பண்ணிருக்கான். So on the basis of hourly basis, week the time basis. Okay, so then piece rate basis. This is called recruitment at factory gate. பார்த்தோமா இல்லையா? Advertisement. What is the meaning of advertisement? So the employer will advertise in daily magazines or newspapers and weekly magazines or monthly magazines. Okay, so they will give some important information. Okay, salary offered, age, qualification. Okay, this are information listed in this advertisement. Okay, what is answer applicants? That is voluntarily the particular job seeker will apply for a particular job. That is called answer. ஒரு volunteer apply பண்றா, but there is no vacancy in the department, there is no opportunity in particular company. In this time, in this situation, particular employee will apply for a particular job. Okay, when the company will need a particular employee, particular vacancy. Okay, so they will recruit, they will call for an interview. That is called an unsolicited. What are walk-ins? The walk-ins interviews with qualification, age, qualification, salary offered. Okay, they listed in walk-ins. Okay, so listed in advertisement. Okay, that is a walk-in interview. They mention walk-in interview. Okay, campus recruitment. Today, lot of MNC companies, lot of multinational, lot of reputed companies, lot of that is computer-related companies. Okay, that is computer companies or automobile companies will recruit college students, final year college students, because of they only know theoretical knowledge. Okay, and also some practical knowledge. Okay, that is the recruit and select particular candidate. Recruitment at factory gate. Usually casual or unskilled labor, unskilled workers recruited by this way. But they will provide us wages on the basis of piece rate, time rate, then hourly basis. That is called as retainment at factory gate. Next one is e-recruitment. Next one is e-recruitment. Some of the companies will conduct online test. Online test on the basis of they given mental the questions based upon aptitude, attitude, mental ability test, max later reasoning test, numerical test, now serious test, number serious test. Okay, so these are the tests they conducted on. The company will conduct online test. Okay, so the questions may be depends upon mental aptitude, attitude. Okay, so this is the e-recruitment. E-recruitment. Okay, so this is called as e-recruitment. Okay, so and the organization which carry recruitment online method, they follow online method, and the on the basis of technology, on the basis of recommendation, on the basis of combination between workers, that is job seekers and company. Nowadays, today we face lot of problems. Okay, so pandemic situation. In this pandemic situation, most of the companies will recruit. They follow online method, online classes also. Okay, so that is with the help of technology. Okay, so that is called re-recruitment. Okay, so next one, these are the direct sources of recruitment. These are the direct sources of recruitment. Okay, next one is indirect sources. Next one is indirect sources. Indirect sources. First one is the indirect sources. The first one is employer referral. Okay, so the employer referral, the first one is the employer referral. So in this indirect sources, in the employer referral, then government exchange, private employment exchanges. Okay, so the employee communication, deputation. So deputation, employee communication, employee referral. Okay, so employee recommendation, word of mouth, labor contractor. So these are the indirect sources. Okay, so employee referral, deputation, labor contractor, then professional association, employment exchange, employment exchange, then private employment agency, private consultancy. Okay, so these are the important indirect sources in external. Okay, so these are source of recruitment. Okay, I hope in this indirect sources we discuss in next video. Okay, in this video discuss only direct source and external. Okay, I hope you are very well understand about this source of recruitment. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you so much.